We're going to do garlic and galangal. We're going to add some honey, some garlic and galangal into a jar, and we're going to get a little fermentation going on. This is some garlic and honey that's been going for a month. You can kind of see it's all kind of almost caramelized in there. Honey is full of really delicious, good bacteria and yeast and everything. Add garlic in, and all the water and the sort of proteins and fats from the garlic leach out into the honey and starts a fermentation. There are many recipes for honey garlic on the internet, so I don't need to do another one, but we're going to do galangal. As far as I know, no one's ever done galangal with honey and garlic, so I don't know if it's going to work. So I'm just going to take the skin off it. I'm using a cleaver because it is fucking hard. See how annoying this is to cut? Do you want to hear about my cleaver?
Yeah, tell me about it.
15 bucks it cost me. Yeah. It's Kiwi brand, made in Vietnam. Apparently a lot of chefs use these as their kind of home kitchen knives. Right. I use it to cut through bone sometimes. Animal bone, not human bone. And it's bloody sturdy as shit. Don't throw out the stuff you've cut already. That's my cooking tip. So when you're doing garlic honey, you want to kind of bruise the garlic. Basically, cut that little nubbly bit off the end and just start rounding them into a jar. Make sure your jar's clean. There are like a lot of methods people use for peeling garlic as well. Have you seen that viral internet one with the knife?
Yes.
I tried it, it didn't work. So we're not using much garlic. In the other one, I think I used like a whole head of garlic. Also, I'm using crystallized honey. No other reason other than I have crystallized honey. You can see all the fermented liquid at the top and then all the crystallized stuff at the bottom. Chuck on our galangal. You want to use the best honey you can find for this. Raw honey has all that delicious bee goodness in it. Delicious, all the flowers and the pollen, and I don't know how honey works. If you know someone that makes honey, that's going to be the best thing. The guy at the market said to me that he knows the guy that makes this honey. I believed him. I don't think he's a liar. As you can imagine, using liquid honey is going to be a lot easier for this.
Could you have warmed that up?
Yeah, I could easily, what I might actually do, because it is quite liquidy, quite hard, is I might just get a bowl of hot warm water and just dunk it in that to let it kind of break down and get all into the thing. All right. Fermenting food is an awesome process. So basically this is going to break down natural bacteria is going to be encouraged. It's going to taste delicious, but it's also going to be really good for you. If you've got a cold and you have sort of 1 month old fermented garlic and honey, it's going to really help things. I don't think it's going to cure it, but it's going to help things. Write a date on everything though, because if you start a lot of ferments, you're going to forget how long they've been there. What's the date? 5th of July?
That's June.
Oh no. Let's do that again, eh? Quick edit so no one noticed. Write a date on everything. You can put this on anything, you can eat it by itself. You know, I've made this and said to people I've made it and they've said,
oh, it sounds good, but what do you use honey and garlic for?
Everything. We'll catch up with this one in, as I said, maybe a month's time and see how it's looking. Anyway, back to nachos.